This is a 20-foot expandable container house. The internal layout is one living room with kitchen, 2 bedrooms, and 1 bathroom. The living room and kitchen have ample space for activities. These spaces can meet the needs of daily life. The 2 bedrooms are spacious and well ventilated. They provide a comfortable resting environment. The expandable container comes with a separate bathroom. It has a reasonable internal layout and provides necessary sanitary facilities. Expandable container houses have excellent sealing properties. In addition, reasonable interior design ensures adequate lighting and ventilation effects. Expandable container houses come with tons of customizable features and highlights. It can be laid out as 3 or 4 rooms. Internal facilities can also be customized. The exterior decoration of the expandable container house also has a variety of options. For example, standardized white, customized colors and textures. Metal carved panels can also be used for exterior decoration. Overall, expandable container houses are very flexible and customizable. They can meet your various needs and preferences.